Today we're going to make this feather wall hanging. Hi, I'm Sheena Joy, and if macrame is your jam, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Okay, let's get into it right away. First, we're going to tie 3 lark's head knots on our stick. And if you're unfamiliar with your knots, feel free to check out my knot tutorial playlist. Okay, now that you have all 3 cords on, we're going to be tying alternating half hitches. This sequence is quite simple. All you have to do is loop it around and bring it through, switch your working cords, and then do the same thing. You're going to want to do several of these until the middle cord is about 5 inches in length and the 2 outer cords are 2.5 inches. So I'm going to speed this up so you see what I mean. See, just like so. Okay, grabbing pairs of your shorter cords, we're going to be tying a Hercules knot. Fold each cords in half so you have a loop, and then you put 1 loop behind and 1 loop in front, and then all you have to do is pull the tail ends through the loops. The Hercules knot actually has several names. It's also referred to as a reef knot, a square knot, and the marriage knot. That's where you get the phrase tying the knot when you're getting married. Okay, we're going to be doing 12 of these in the center cord, and then we're going to be doing 8 on both sides of the other cords. Feel free to experiment with color with this, and also this is a great way to use up those extra cut-off pieces. Okay, now we're going to do the other 2. Ta-da! Magic! Now what I like to do is tie 2 more alternating half hitches just to secure them so they don't slip off the bottom. This step is a little unnecessary, but it makes me feel more secure. I'd hate to have anything possibly come undone. Okay, moving along, we're going to be combing out our feathers now. Take your time combing and adjusting and trimming at this point. This is what really makes or breaks your project. Once you have it all fluffed out, we're going to be trimming it into the shape of a feather. Once it's trimmed, lay it flat and use fabric stiffener. Quick tip, if you don't have any fabric stiffener, you can go ahead and use hairspray. That's what I did for this project, and it smells amazing now. Before you go, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.